Good morning, students. Hello, everybody. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Okay. So, the triangle is the chapter we have started in the previous class from class 9 mathematics. We have used the property of congruent triangles and also the property of isosceles triangle. We have learned the theorem that in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Similarly, or conversely, we can say that in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. We have used this property to solve a problem. There is another problem where we are going to use the same property of isosceles triangle to solve it out. The question is, ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle with common base BC. In triangle ABC, AB and AC are equal. In triangle DBC, DB and DC are equal. So there we have to prove that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. This whole angle we have to prove equal. This angle ABD and angle ACD, they are equal. That is what we have to prove. So first of all, let me write down the question. This is question number 5 from the same exercise 7.2. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles triangles with common base BC. Show that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. So again we have to follow the structure to prove congruent triangles or solve problem related to congruent. So first of all, given, what is the information given in the question, we have to note it down. So triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles triangles with common base BC and AB equals to AC, DB equals to DC. These are the things given in the question. What we have to prove? To prove angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. This is the question. Now we are going to use the property of isosceles triangle. So proof. In triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC given. So therefore we can write angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. Means these two angles. These two angles. Since the sides are equal, AB and AC are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. We have got this in the theorem. So in reason we should write angles opposite to equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. The sides are equal, therefore the opposite angles are also equal. Make this as equation number 1. In triangle DBC, same thing here also. It is given that DB equals to DC given. So we can write angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. These two angles. This one and this one. So there will be same reason. You have to complete the sentence. Don't put equal marks, okay? Just write down the whole thing again in the exam paper. Here I am showing you to save time, but in the exam paper you have to write the thing again. So make this as equation number 2. Now let us add equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get, so here angle ABC plus angle DBC is equals to angle ACB plus angle DCB. Means the left hand side is added to the left hand side and right hand side is added to the right hand side. Okay. Now look at the diagram and say what is angle ABC plus DBC. ABC means this angle and DBC means this angle. So when they are added, they are forming the whole angle ABD. Angle ABD. Similarly, angle ACB plus DCB. ACB this one and DCB is this one. So ACB plus DCB is also making the whole angle ACD. And that is what we have to prove. Therefore, angle ABD equals to angle ACD proved. Isn't it? The sum was very easy. Yes. So just go through the question, the solution part. We'll go to solve another problem, and that was an important one. Seen all of you? Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB and AC are equal. The side BA is produced to D such that AC equals to AD. That is also equal. C and D are joint. What we have to show? We have to prove that angle BCD is a right angle. Okay. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC, BA is produced to D such that AC is equals to AD. C and D are joined. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. I hope you have understood the question, the problem. In triangle ABC, AB and AC are equal. BA is produced to D such that AD and AC are also equal. So after joining D with C, we are getting one angle BCD. We have to prove that this angle BCD is a right angle. So as always, first of all, given, we have to note down the given informations. In triangle ABC, AB equals to AC equals to AD. Or don't write it here. BA is produced to D such that AC equals to AD. Whenever you will write the given part, just write down the summary of the question. What is given? The summary of the given part you should write more symbolically than in sentence. Okay? To prove angle BCD is a right angle. A proof. In triangle ABC, AB equals to AC, this is given. Therefore, we can say that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. Let us take these two angles as X. Now, why these two angles are equal? You all know the theorem that if two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So, here angle ABC and angle ACB are equal because AB and AC are equal. So, we can say that these two angles are equal by the theorem. And let us take these two angles as X each. Okay? In triangle DBC, AC equals to, in triangle ACD, in triangle DAC, AC equals to AD. This is also given. Therefore, by similar reason, we can say that angle ACD is equals to angle ADC. Angle ACD is equals to angle ADC. Here you have to write down the reason. Angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. And here also, since these two angles are equal, let us take these two angles as y each. See? And here also it will be the same reason. Write down the whole reason again. Okay? Now let us consider the whole triangle DBC. DBC. I have taken these two angles as y. So let us write down in the diagram. In triangle DCB, the whole triangle DCB, angle DCB plus DCB plus angle DBC plus angle BBC equals to 180 degree. We know sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle D plus angle B plus angle DCB, the whole angle is 180 degree because DCB is a triangle. So here we'll write angle sum property of triangle. Now what is DCB? DCB, just see, this is y and this part is x, so together they are x plus y. This is y and this is x, so they are making the whole angle x plus y. So in place of DCB I can write x plus y. What is angle DBC? It is clear from the diagram, it is x. And what is BDC? BDC, that is y, equals to 180 degree. Therefore 2x plus 2y is equals to 180 degree. X plus x and y plus y, that is 2x plus y equals to 180 degree. So x plus y is equals to 180 upon 2 is 90 degree. Now what is x plus y? What is the meaning of x plus y in the diagram? Can we take this x plus y? Yes, it is x plus y, the whole angle DCB. So in place of x plus y, we can write angle BCD equals to 90 degree. This angle is forming a right angle. Therefore, this is the proof, or we can write angle BCD is a right angle. Proved. All of you have understood? I hope so. So this is the sum. This is very important sum. Generally it comes in the exam paper. So you must also practice this sum and try to understand and then try to do by yourself. So that's all for today. Hope I have done all the important sums from this exercise. Yes. So some more questions are there, but they are relatively easier. You will try to do by yourself. In the next class, we'll start another exercise with some different properties. So till then, goodbye, have a nice day, meet you in the next class.